Something in your heart feels heavy today. You move through life, smiling on the outside, but inside there is a quiet discomfort. You try to distract yourself, but the feeling follows you everywhere. This is not random. This is a warning. Something in your life needs attention. Something in your heart needs correction. Allah is not happy with the path you are walking, and this is your chance to turn back, before the distance grows too wide. You carry so much inside. Stress, fear, regrets, temptations, and distractions. You try to fix everything on your own, but nothing feels enough. Your heart whispers for change, yet your habits pull you back. You want closeness to Allah, but comfort keeps you stuck in the same cycle. You pray sometimes and forget sometimes. You remember Allah on good days, but when life overwhelms you, He fades from your thoughts. You want to improve, but you delay it, thinking tomorrow will be better. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and slowly, your heart feels heavier. This is when Allah sends gentle reminders. He does not want to punish you. He wants to wake you. Look at your life. Peace disappears. Plans fall apart. Motivation fades. Your heart feels tired. Sleep comes hard. You wake up restless. You feel distant from everyone. These are not coincidences. Allah touches your heart through discomfort to make you pause and reflect. He blocks some paths because they would harm you. He shakes your world so you stop moving in the wrong direction. Allah loves you, and His warnings are signs of that love. Think about your days. How do you speak when anger rises? How do you act when no one sees? What do you watch and listen to? What shortcuts do you take? How do you treat your prayers? The small choices you make every day shape your connection with Allah. They either bring you closer or push you further away. When your heart feels empty, Allah is reminding you that the distance between you and Him has grown. There are moments when you know deep inside that something you did was wrong. You try to ignore it. You tell yourself it is small, but the heaviness remains. That heaviness is a gift. Allah places it on your heart so you pause, so you reflect, so you turn back. He wants you to return before darkness becomes normal and sins feel easy. Sometimes your life feels stuck. You try so hard, but nothing moves. Allah uses these moments to guide you back. He may remove comfort. He may make some plans fail. He places softness in your heart so you feel regret. Every difficulty, every delay, every small struggle carries a message. Come back. Fix your heart. Fix your intention. Fix your connection with the one who created you. Many wait for big signs, but the most powerful ones are quiet. A sudden emptiness in your chest. A lack of peace at home. A prayer that feels empty. A smile that hides tired eyes. A success that brings no happiness. These are signs that your soul needs light again. Allah calls you to rise, leave your habits that harm your heart, and return to Him with sincerity. You know the truth. You feel it inside. You want to change. You want a clean heart, calm days, and a life full of purpose. Allah waits for the moment when you honestly ask Him to guide you again. He responds to your smallest step. He turns fear into strength, guilt into hope, and chaos into clarity. Your warning is not meant to scare you. It is meant to save you. Allah never abandons His servant. You walked away without realizing it, and He is inviting you back. He wants to see you rise after falling. He wants your heart to live fully again. Take this moment seriously. Look inside. Ask Allah to forgive you. Ask Him to fix what is broken. Ask Him to guide your steps. You are not too far. You are not too late. Allah accepts the heart that returns, even after years of wandering. Let this be your turning point. Leave the habits that darken your heart. Protect your prayers. Guard your words. Clean your intentions. Seek what brings you closer to Allah. You will see your life change piece by piece. Your chest will feel lighter. peace will return. Your connection with Allah will fill every empty space inside you. Allah is not angry forever. He is waiting for your response. He is waiting for your decision. He is waiting for your next step. Take it now. Choose guidance. Choose change. Choose the path that lifts your soul. If this message touched your heart, like this video, share it, and subscribe so more people can hear reminders that bring them back to Allah. Let your journey to Him start today.